Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can reload your account and your storage in the Mega app. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if you for example would like to restore your account and your storage to default or factory settings, which is basically reloading, just another wording used here, you can do this through the desktop as well as the web application here on Mega app. Let me do this through the web application, log into your account. And here in your click into your profile icon in the top right, and then you will see this option here, right? Reload your account. Just remember guys that if you do this, this is going to delete all the data, all the files, folders stored in your in the browser, and that is going to basically reload the entire account from their servers. So it may take a moment according to this. So yeah, if you want to do this, for example, to fix performance issues or bugs, or if you'd like to start over with your account and your storage, you can do that. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.